Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to apply a 3-point bottom border in Word. Let's open the document. There, click on Borders and select Borders and Shading. After that, check the box option. Now in the Width field, select the 3-point option. On the side panel, click on the sides that will not have the border and leave only the bottom one. Click on OK and you will see your 3-point border created. If you want to delete it, click on Borders again and this time choose the option No Border. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.